Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in case you are new here, my name is Miss Oyo from Kenya in Africa, and today guys I want to show you what I'm going to do. So for today I'm going to cook pumpkin leaves, and I want to show you through the whole process. So guys, tune in, and please, if you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. If you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So let's do this. So guys, this is pumpkin leaves. Let me show you around. Yeah, I know most of you know what pumpkin is. So here in Africa, in the villages, we normally cook the leaves for vegetable, and let me show you through the process. Yeah, so guys, this is how we normally do it. So sometimes we normally use a knife, but for today I just want to use my hand to unplug this. This is what I'm going to cook. So guys, let's do this. Yeah, I hope you are able to see. You see, so this is what I'm going to cook for as a vegetable accompaniment with ugali as usual, because here in Africa guys, ugali is our staple food. Yeah, I hope you are able to see. Yeah, you see, like this one is a small pumpkin. I hope you are able to see. Very tiny. It's still very young. Yeah. So let me just remove the leaves because I'm going to cook them for supper. Wow. And these leaves are very delicious, guys. For those who are watching and maybe you've never tasted this, please just go and try. It's a very nice vegetable. Yeah, you can sometime accompany it with meat. Yeah, meat or eggs, fried eggs. They can do very well. Yeah, you see, this is what I've unplugged. So I'm still looking for more. Yeah, guys, you see, this is a small pumpkin coming out. It's still very tiny. Yeah, so I'm removing the whole of this because we normally cook even with this, the whole of this. Yeah. So if you've never tasted this, kindly I urge you to go and try. It's a very delicious meal. Very delicious. Okay guys, my vegetables are here, and now I'm going to show you through the process of how we normally make it. So please, let's do this. Yeah, this is pumpkin leaf, and have a basin here. Yeah, so we normally remove this. You see, we have this thread, so we remove it. Just like this. Yeah, we do it. So guys, I'm done, and this is what I've been removing, and I need to wash this. So guys, I'm doing twice, and at least you can see now the color of water is better than the first one. Okay guys, now I'm going to start cutting. So guys, I'm going to use my cooking pot here. I'm going to add in water. I'm going to add in this vegetable.